Is social media marketing agency pandemic proof? Alright guys, so I'm gonna probably start wearing hats more often because, you know, during this quarantine got my hair all looking messy, so I'm probably not gonna be showing my hair as much or my head as much. I'm just gonna be start wearing my hat more, give it a little bit more clean look. What's up everybody? My name is Jordan, and in today's video I want to talk about my agency and how it's been doing, you know, throughout this whole pandemic. You know, we've been ever since news came out in March, that's when, you know, businesses started shutting down, and that's when, you know, things started really picking up as far as you know, closures of businesses, parks, and just pretty much the whole entire lockdown and things like that. So I'm gonna be sharing with you how my marketing agency, digital marketing agency, is weathering through this whole pandemic stuff, because you know, prior for me joining the whole digital marketing industry, one of the things that people were saying is that, you know, one of the things that people were asking was that, is the digital marketing agency, is social media marketing agency, will it last through, you know, some type of, if we were to go through some type of, you know, economic crash. But in, you know, in this case is pretty much what the pandemic is. The pandemic is pretty much like our economic crash right now. As you can see, you know, unemployment rates are going up, businesses are shutting down, people are having to stay in and things like that. So I wanted to share with you my experience, and, you know, if a digital marketing agency is good to go. I know a lot of people, for those of you who've been thinking about starting a digital marketing agency but not really sure if you should get started, because number one, you know, some of you guys might think it's too saturated, which isn't the case at all. There's plenty of business to go around. And the second thing is, what happens during you know, a crash or pandemic or economic Great Depression that comes around again, right? From my experience so far, and, you know, it's been a good 2 months now, because March was when, you know, news broke out, and that's when a lot of businesses started shutting down. At the time, I think in March was when the end of March was when the kind of news came out. So April was kind of like the month where my marketing agency felt the most effect, and we were affected most by the whole COVID stuff. You know, we did lose about two clients. Yeah, we did lose 2 clients during there. So our gross revenue did decrease a little bit, but nonetheless there were still clients that were more than willing, you know, to pay for advertising. I still got to keep a lot of my clients that were still with me, and they're still with me today actually. And so yes, although we were affected by the whole pandemic stuff, it was very slightly. It wasn't like we were, you know, going out of business. And now that we're in May now, today is May 27th, we're almost going into June now, half of the year, and business is starting to pick back up. Now, I think the reason for that is because, you know, states are slowly opening up, you know, they're slowly loosening up on their lockdowns, and businesses are starting to open up, and, you know, people are starting to get the unemployment money, the stimulus checks are being sent out. So, you know, people now are starting to have money again, and they're feeling more confident to, you know, make purchases and invest in things. So my business, my digital marketing agency, has actually increased back to where we were at originally. So we kind of took, you know, 2 steps back and kind of took 2 steps forward again. And so we're kind of we've evened out where we were at before the pandemic, and now, you know, we're slowly seeing things starting to pick up. You know, I'm a lead generation service for my clients, and I'm starting to see leads pick up as well. More customers are coming through the door. More clients are being created for my clients. More customers are coming in for my clients through our marketing lead generation services. So I could tell that, you know, things are getting better, things are improving, especially here in the US, and I have clients throughout the US. So, you know, in the month of March and April, that's when, you know, leads were down. You know, my clients weren't seeing that many new customers. I'm not seeing that many leads coming from my business. A lot of leads coming in for my clients' businesses, and so those were during slow times. But right now it's starting to pick up back up again. So you know, if you were looking to start a digital marketing agency, or you thought that, you know, there's no way possible that this would last through, everything that's going on, and you wouldn't be able to start it, or you wouldn't be able to continue doing your agency, and all these limited beliefs, right? Like, oh, I can't sign on new clients because clients aren't looking to work with marketing agencies through a pandemic and stuff like that. And yeah, you could have that mindset, and that's going to really affect you. But if you have the mindset of, hey, you know what, a lot of people probably aren't prospecting right now, I'm going to take this time to prospect and reach out to potential clients to sign them on. And it's really a numbers game, even though businesses, probably more of them are now not really looking to work with new marketing companies during the pandemic, even though now things are getting better. So you could have still been out there and prospecting and signing new clients, because that's what I did. I did sign a new client in the beginning of month of May, actually. So that was really good. And right now I can tell that things are getting better. So if you've been thinking about starting a digital marketing agency, or wondering if you should continue growing your current agency, then it's very possible. Don't ever give up on it. It's very possible. I've been doing this for 2 months throughout the pandemic. I'm still making a great income. I'm working from home, so I haven't been really super affected by it. And I'm able to work with clients from anywhere in the world. My clients can work, some of them work from home as well. So all in all, things we did, even though we were affected by the pandemic, we weren't like shut out, you know what I mean? So we weren't zero income or anything like that. We were still making a great income, still got the 6-figure agency running very strong, and I'm gonna continue to grow it. So look guys, if you are looking to scale your agency and kind of build it in a way where it's pandemic proof, and then just automating your entire agency like I've done, so that you can work from home and things like that, I have a free 90-minute webinar training. The link is in the description. All you do is click on the link, you register for the free training, and then I send you that 90-minute training that teaches you my top 3 strategies on starting or even growing your current agency, guys. All right guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys want to know more about how digital marketing agencies are doing, if you want to learn more how to start, scale, strategies, tips, methods on starting and growing your own agency, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give it a big thumbs up, and put in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think and what I can do, what more videos I can make that will help you guys. All right, until the next video, peace.